What's up, bro?
Hey, man, you want to get the hell out of there?
Hey, man.
On a Friday, yeah, I'll change your oil. Ain't nobody got time for that. There you go.
Ah, the forbidden chip.
Okay, we got a car in here, customer states, making a weird noise.
Never in my life. Hot, buddy. That's brake line.
Should have seen how much smoke right there. I couldn't see out of the windshield. It just out of nowhere, just smoke. I went, oh, and
I'm trying to see if I could even move this.
damn.
Look at this beautiful Tacoma that just came in the dealership. Only 7,600 miles on it. And just look at the... Wait. What the is this? What is... Okay. Well, we'll just ignore that. Go on to the other key features like... Is that drywall screws? Okay, well, we'll ignore that. And we'll go to... just look at that bull bar. Just so professionally... What? What? Okay, yeah, never mind.
It's fine.
Hey, you think it's repairable?
Yeah, that's no problem.
Oh,
Little patch. So this is the exhaust off the car that had a misfire. Couldn't really figure out what it was, but kind of wedge this open here. Oh, hey. No wonder your is misfiring. Somebody forgot to open the pipe up. Broken.
I hope it don't stop. I guess not.
Yo, can you help me with this?
What you need?
The car won't start. I keep pushing the brake and it's a push start, but it's not working. And he has two brakes. I don't know why he has two brakes for, man. How do you even get two brakes? Is that possible?
What?
Two brakes. Which one do I push to start the car?
This one?
I just did that.
Oh, right here.
Wow. That's kind of tough. How do you get two brakes?
Change your oil, boys and girls. Crude oil.
Texas tea. It's upside down thick like a blizzard.
I have a question. How are we breathing in cars? Because, like, there's no air holes in a car. And, like, you shut your doors. So, like, how does the oxygen, like, get in? And there's, like, no law to, like, open your window every 5 minutes. So, like, how do you breathe in a car?
To the previous person who put yellow Loctite on this, I thank you, because you never know when you need a step to get into the back of your truck. You know? We all have those days. Come on, is it gonna break free? Nope. This guy came in, check engine light on. Cylinder 1 misfire, okay? Come over here, you look. Oh, that's what the issue is. You're almost out of spark plug oil. Uh-huh. That one's good. Yep, that one's good. And that one's good. And that's how you check to make sure that your spark plugs are well oiled.
Angel told me about the clamp, small clamp.
So you simply remove the dashboard here, and then you go in here and go, yep, sure enough, cabin filter's dirty.
Why would you do that? Why would you put water? Why did you do that? He put water on it. He just put water down. Are you?
Excuse me.
Hi.
You know that this is really dangerous, right?
What are you doing, dude?
You know that this is really not safe. You're gonna cause a big accident.
Just beat it, will you?
Seriously.
Dude.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
You know that it's not safe, and they're gonna call the cops.
Give me as much gas as I can.
Dude, it's not that serious. This is a little bit extreme.
Seriously, if somebody throws a lit gas match in here, it's gonna blow.
Just leave it alone. If you don't mind. Just leave me alone, all right?
Oh, he's going. He's going.
Wait.
He's just gonna drive off. Look at his flashing.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
What is he doing? Dude.
We have to follow him.
Dude. This is... Alright, we're following. We have to. Look at that! Are you serious?
Unbelievable. I mean,
Where does he think he's going?
I have no idea.
How is he going to